So I am giving a value like this, M. Okay, what it is, we don't know. What is M? M may be a monkey, M may be a money. Am I right? So I am giving a heading for this. It is a gender. It is a gender. It is a gender. So that I can easily understand that Ravi is a person whose gender is male. Am I right?
Yes.
So this is called as interrelated. This is called as interrelated. Interrelated. Okay. Here the name and gender are the columns. Name and gender are the column names. Column names. Okay. Then Ravi and M is the values to my column. Ravi and M is the values to my column. So this is called as a record. This is called as a record. Okay. So database is collection of interrelated data. Okay. So if I would like to store my data in form of columns and records. Okay. In form of columns and records. Okay. So there is a concept in Oracle. There is a concept in Oracle called as table. 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 Okay, which holds the columns and records. Which holds the columns and records. Okay. Before going to explain what is table, okay, I would like to explain what is a database management system. What is a database management systems?
DBM.
Yeah, that is called as DBMS. Nice. Okay. Database is different when we are talking about database management systems. Okay. If you store your data in Excel file, you can say that this is my database. Okay. So if you store your data in any kind of CSV files, yes, we can say that it is a database, but unstructured database. Unstructured database. Okay. So when we are coming to the DBMS, my DBMS comprises with two parts. Comprises with two parts. That is DB plus MS. DB plus MS. Are you able to follow me?
Yes.
DB plus MS. Okay, DB stands for database and MS stands for associated. Yeah, management system is nothing but a server. A server. Okay, so we are maintaining data with the help of servers. Are you clear now?
Yes.
Okay, so the database is maintaining in servers. The database is maintaining in servers. Okay, so Oracle is DBMS technology. Oracle is DBMS technology. Are you clear? Oracle is DBMS technology. Okay. So here we have to know what are the various technologies are competitive to Oracle database. Okay. Oracle database. Okay. So there are n number of products available in the market which works as databases. Which works as databases. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So there is one product called as SQL Server. SQL Server. Okay. There is one more product called as DB2. There is one more product called as DB2. Yeah, DB2. And there is one more product called as Sybase. Sybase. And there is one more product called as Teradata. Teradata. Okay, then you can ask me a question, sir. There are n number of databases are available in market. Okay, then why should we choose Oracle as my DBMS? Okay, so why should we choose Oracle as our database management system? Okay, so why? Because the answer is very simple. When we are choosing Oracle technology, it provides more security. It provides more security and it provides high performance. It provides high performance. Okay, and it has a features which supports for OLTP. OLTP. Do you know what is OLTP?
No.
OLTP is nothing but online transaction processing. Online transaction, online, online,
Transaction.
online transaction, transaction processing, processing, processing. That is called as OLTP.
TP.
Okay, so the
Okay.
databases which I was typed here, all the databases has the same feature, OLTP feature. Okay, there is nothing special in Oracle. Okay, but when you are coming about OLAP, this is the better feature which is not available in other databases apart from Teradata. Okay,
Okay.
SQL Server doesn't have OLAP feature. DB2 doesn't have OLAP feature. Sybase doesn't have OLAP feature. Okay, even though they have there is a limitation. There is a limitation. Okay, but in our Oracle, the OLAP is nothing but online analytical processing. Online
Analytical.
analytical processing, analytical processing, processing, online analytical processing, OLAP. Are you clear? So
Yes. Yes.
the day-to-day transactions which we are performing in banks or insurance sector, those transactions are called as OLTP transactions, everyday transactions. Okay,
Okay.
so the transaction which is used for analytical purpose. Okay, you people might have heard about Hadoop, big data analytics.
Yeah.
Okay, and business intelligence. Okay, so those particular technologies are using Oracle OLAP concepts. Oracle OLAP concepts. Okay, so
Okay.
these are
Okay.
the few features why the Oracle is at top position among all databases, among all databases.
Database.
Okay, so the latest version of Oracle is Oracle 12c. The latest version of Oracle is Oracle 12c. Oracle 12c. Oracle 12c. Okay.
Okay.
So it is a product from Oracle Corporation. 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 Are you clear now?
Yes.
Yes. So I can say that I can summarize, I can conclude. Oracle 12c is my latest version of Oracle, which came from
Corporation.
Oracle Corporation, which came from Oracle Corporation.
Hmm.
Okay, C stands for cloud computing. C stands for cloud computing. Here you people can identify what is C. Okay, C stands for cloud
Okay.
computing. Okay, so the
Okay.
Oracle 12c database also supports cloud computing applications. Cloud computing applications. Okay,
Okay.
so The predecessor's version of Oracle is Oracle 11G, which was the oldest version. Okay, but most of the companies in USA and India still they are using Oracle 11G and 12C as usual, parallelly. Okay, so might have they have some license. Okay, that is the reason why they are using still Oracle 11G. Okay, the companies who are going to purchase the new license, they are going to purchase Oracle 12C. Oracle 12C. Okay. So here you people must know that what is G stands for. What is G stands for? G is nothing but grid computing. The Oracle 11G supports grid computing. Supports grid computing. Okay. So what is the meaning of grid? Okay. A grid is a technology or framework which supports to distribute my database among n number of applications. Simple. Grid is nothing but distributed application which has the feature of distribution of my application. That is called as grid. Okay. Are you able to follow me?
Yes.
Okay, let me explain. Okay, there is a central server which is located in Hyderabad. Okay, so let us assume that TCS has one office in Hyderabad. Okay, who are supporting for Dell? Who are supporting for Dell? Okay, so Dell have their office in New Zealand and Australia and USA. Okay, New Zealand, Australia, and USA. Okay, but those three countries employees has to share or has to use my application server which is located in Hyderabad. Which is located in Hyderabad. Okay, that is the distribution of the application. Distribution of the application. We know that we are frequently hearing a word called as power grids, water grids. Am I right? So power grid is nothing but a central location where we can distribute the power for n number of locations. Am I right?
Yes.
So in this similar fashion, Oracle 11G is a grid computing technology which supports for distribution of your databases. Distribution of your databases. Okay. So there more one more old version, Oracle 10G for same purpose. Before that, there was one more version called as Oracle 9i. Oracle 9i. I stands for Internet Applications. I stands for Internet Applications. I stands for Internet Applications. Okay, it was released in early 2000. Early 2000. Okay, there was an era of internet applications, so that the Oracle Corporation has came forward. Yes, we are developing some features which are supported to web applications. That is called as internet based applications. Okay, so Oracle 9i was released in 2000, 10G was released in 2003, and 11 was released in around 2008. Oracle 12C was released in 2005. 2015, sorry, 2015. 2015. So Oracle 12C is the latest version. Latest version. So I can say that Oracle 12C is a DBMS technology. Oracle 12C is a DBMS technology. DBMS technology. Okay, technology from Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation. Okay. So now my question is, Oracle is DBMS, right? So
Yes.
what are the various components available in Oracle DBMS? Okay. Oracle 12C is DBMS. What are the various components available in my Oracle 12c? Okay, so SQL is one component and PLSQL is another component. Are we clear now?
Yes.
Okay, SQL is one component and PLSQL is another component. Okay, so what is the meaning of SQL? SQL is a structured query language. SQL is a structured
Structure.
query
Very
language. Okay, so Oracle SQL is a structured query language. Okay, I will explain what is SQL does actually. Okay, in the next classes. Okay, let me finish.
Okay.
What is PLSQL? What is PLSQL? PLSQL stands for procedural structured query language. Procedural structured query language. PL stands for procedural. SQL stands for structured query language, which is used to write programs. Okay. SQL is a command-based language. Here we are writing the SQL commands. SQL commands are SQL statements. Okay. SQL commands are SQL statements. But here in PL SQL, we are writing programs. Commands are different and programming structure is different. Okay. I will explain you in further classes how to write a SQL statements and how to write a PL SQL program. Okay. Are you clear now? Okay.
Yes.
Oracle 12c DBMS consisting of two components. One is SQL. The second one is PLSQL. PLSQL. Okay. So both components have their unique purpose. Okay. So their specification is different. Are you clear?
Yes.
Okay. Then coming to other technologies like SQL Server. Okay. So SQL Server is a database product from Microsoft. Which works as like Oracle database. Okay. Then DB2 is IBM product. DB2 is IBM product. Okay. Then coming to Sybase is SAP Labs products. Are you following me?
Yes.
Okay, SAP Labs product. And Teradata is Teradata Corporation product. Okay, so these are the very good technologies which are available in market. However, 80% of the applications are developing on Oracle database. 80% of the applications are developing on Oracle database. Why? So it has a features called as high security,
High
high performance and OLTP features. Here you can find the blue color highlighted statements.
Yes.
Security, high performance and OLTP and OLAP features. Okay. The other softwares like SQL Server, DB2, Sybase and Teradata, they doesn't have the features like Oracle features. Yes, that is called as OLAP features. Okay. So the performance wise also it is very good. Okay. And the Oracle database is platform
Oriented.
dependent. It is not a platform dependent. Your Oracle is not platform dependent. Okay, it will run on any kind of operating system. Like you can install in Mac OS, you can install on Windows OS, you can install on Unix or Linux OS. Okay, so that is called cross-platform application. Cross-platform application. Cross-platform application. So here I am giving a statement. Oracle can install on any operating system, that is called as OS, such as Windows, Mac and Linux, etc. Okay, this is the one beautiness of Oracle. Are you clear?
Okay. Yes.
So it is a platform independent. Okay, the Oracle does not dependent on any kind of operating system. It is supported by multiple operating systems. Okay, so this is
Yes.
one advantage of Oracle. Okay, so today we are discussing a few topics which are related to, like, what is a data? Okay, a data is a fact and figures. Okay, so that is basic funda. Okay, if you want to elaborate that particular statement, you people can answer as data is collection of quantities, numbers and symbols which is used in day-to-day business transactions. Okay, so the business transaction maybe happens in banking sector, e-commerce sector, finance, insurance and many more. Okay, many more. Okay, so when the data is comes into picture. Okay, so any kind of software can be developed with the help of front-end technologies and back-end technologies. Front-end technologies and back-end technologies. Okay, your front-end can be developed with the help of Java, .NET, PHP. Okay, so which can be developed to mobile applications or web applications or desktop applications. Okay. So then backend is used to store data in your database with the help of Oracle. So that I can say my backend can be developed with the help of Oracle. Are you clear now?
Yes.
Okay, so Oracle is a technology which is used to develop your backend. Okay, I will let you know what is backend. Okay, so
Okay.
a database is a collection of interrelated data. A database is a collection of interrelated data. Okay, interrelated data. Okay, so if your database is depending on one server, that is called as database management system. Okay, so I can define a database management system is comprises with database along with its 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 associated management system. That is called as server. That is called as server. Okay. Are you able to follow me?
Yes.
Yes.
Hello, Avinash, Tej,
Yes, sir.
and Priya. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
database management system comprises of two components that is called as DB plus MS. So in my Oracle there is a database as well as there is a server. There is a server. Okay. Then Oracle 12c has two components. Okay, two components.
Yes.
So that here Oracle Oracle components. So Oracle components are SQL and
PSQL.
Yes.
SQL. Okay. So SQL and SQL. Okay. So then versions of SQL. Versions of Oracle. Versions of Oracle database. Versions of Oracle database. Okay. Oracle 12c is the latest version. Oracle 12c is the latest version. C stands. C stands.
Cloud computing.
Yes, excellent. Cloud computing. Cloud computing. Cloud computing. Okay. Then G stands for grid computing. Grid computing, which has the distribution capability. Okay. Distribution capability. Distribution capability. Okay. Then coming to I stands for
Internet application.
yes. The application which is running through internet is called as internet applications. Internet applications. Okay. So the latest version is Oracle 12c. Oracle 12c. Okay. Latest version is Oracle 12c. Oracle 12c. Are you clear?
Yes.
Okay, so we are using Oracle 12c in day-to-day activities. In day-to-day activities. Okay. Then Oracle can install on any operating system. Any operating system. So Oracle is platform independent. Okay. So then other database technologies. Other database technologies. Other database technologies. So SQL Server is one technology from Microsoft. Okay. DB2 is another technology from IBM. Sybase is another technology from SAP Labs. And Teradata is another technology from Teradata Corporation. Okay. So which works as Oracle database. Oracle database. Okay. So why Oracle is famous? Why Oracle DB is famous? Okay. It has compatibility with most of modern technologies. Okay, like Java, J2EE. Okay, and cloud computing and business intelligence business intelligence tools. and data warehousing tools. Okay, etc.
Okay.
etc. So this is the reason why Oracle is very famous. Okay, so if you want to learn the business intelligence tools like BI tools, Tableau, ClickView, these are the tools which is works as a business intelligence tools. Okay, the Oracle is mandatory. The Oracle is mandatory. Okay, so if you want to learn data warehousing tools, the Oracle is mandatory. Okay, if you want to learn Java J2EE, there is a concept called as JSP, Java Server Pages. There we are writing our Oracle statements. So Oracle is existing in every technology, That is the reason why Oracle is famous. Are you clear?
Yes.
Okay, so that is the reason why Oracle is very famous. When your application is developing in Oracle with Java combination, there is a more compatibility. Why? Because these two products, Oracle and Java from Oracle Corporation itself. Are you clear? Okay, Java also Oracle product. Oracle database also Oracle product. Okay, if you purchase Java as a technology, the Oracle Corporation will offer to the clients Oracle database and Java is a package. Okay, for a particular stipulated amount. Are you clear?
Yes.
So package purpose, like let us assume that if you want to purchase Java may be a cost of 1 crore rupees. Okay, let us assume that. Okay, so Oracle also same company product, right? So that if you going to purchase Java and Oracle as a package, we are going to offer for 1.5 crore. 1.5 crore. Okay. If you are going to purchase as individual products, we are going to offer 1 crore for each product. 1 crore for each product. Okay, then automatically we are going to spend 50 lakhs, etc. Right? 50 lakhs, etc. Okay, so that is the reason most of the companies or clients, they are purchasing Java and Oracle is a package. Java and Oracle is a package because they are getting for a less price. Okay, for less price. Okay, so instead of Oracle, if you are using SQL Server as your database for Java applications, there is no much compatibility and we are cross-checking with Oracle database. I am repeating again. When you are developing a Java application, okay, if you are using your backend with the help of SQL Server, there is no compatibility when compared to Oracle database. That is the reason why Oracle is very famous.
Famous.
Okay, so are you clear?
Yes.
Okay, so here there is an important concept. Please concentrate here. All databases like these are all databases like SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, Teradata and Oracle. All has common interface that is called as SQL. Okay. Among all these databases, SQL is the common component. Are you clear?
Yes.
SQL is the common component. But there are a few syntactical changes. There are very few syntactical changes. Okay. Why I am telling this thing is if you learn the Oracle SQL, the remaining SQL Server SQL, DB2 SQL, Sybase SQL and Teradata SQL is same. Are you clear?
Okay.
Okay, so there is no difference. Only 2% of differences in the form of syntax. Are you clear?
Yes.
Okay, so SQL is a common interface for Oracle database, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, and Teradata. Are you clear now?
Yes.
Okay. So SQL is common interface for every
All the database.
database technologies. That means if you learn Oracle SQL, the remaining SQL concepts also same. Okay, the remaining concepts of the SQL is same. Okay, so SQL is common interface for all database technologies. For all database technologies. Okay, are you clear?
Yes.
So this is about introduction of Oracle database. Okay, this is introduction.
Okay.
I will share this document for your reference. Okay, so day
Okay.
one class. Okay, so which covers all introduction of Oracle. Are you clear?
Okay.
So that's
Yes.
it for the day, Mithun, Priya, and
Yes.
Avinash.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Your mail, please ping your mail IDs. Okay, so that I can send this particular concepts. Okay, to your mail
Sure.
IDs. Okay, please drop your mail IDs. Otherwise, I will send to you my mail ID. Okay. So I got two mail IDs. One is Varsha's mail ID and one more is Avinash. Okay. Are you there? Are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm getting mine. Just a minute.
Guys, any queries regarding this?
No,
No,
sir.
sir. We are good.
We are good.
Please post the queries if you have any doubts. Okay. Don't hesitate to ask
Okay, sir.
anything because we are the learners. Okay. So
Yes.
if you don't understand any concept clearly, I am here to able to help you. Okay, always.
Sure, sure.
Okay, I'm sure that you people are going to expertise in Oracle within 25 days. Okay, so
Okay.
easily you can crack the interviews on Oracle database. Okay, so this is the
Okay.
basic fundamentals which is required for Oracle. Okay, tomorrow we will
Okay.
see few concepts which are related to RDBMS and SQL commands and the GUI interface, okay, where we are going to write the SQL queries. Are you clear?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, tomorrow we will see how the tool works, how the technology works.
Yeah.
Okay, so hopefully you
Okay.
people understood my concept which I dealt today. Okay, still if
Yes.
you have any queries, please post it. So I got 3 of your mail IDs so that I can send this document to you people. Okay. So if you have any doubts
Yeah,
about
okay.
this particular document, okay. So make sure that there is a class tomorrow at 8 o'clock. Okay.
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 Uh, So if any necessary prerequisites like your mic settings and your laptop settings, please adjust as per your requirements. Okay. Meanwhile, I will do the same thing. Okay. Which is not which is going to avoid the time wasting. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you guys. That's it for
Thank
the
you.
day. That's
Have
it
a
for
good
the
day.
day. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. You too. Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Bye.
Good night.
Good night. Good night.
Bye bye.